Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to use Midjourney, just a quick guide. So it is in Discord, so you have to create your own space, and then once you have Midjourney you can download the app. So add the app to your space, and then once you have that in here you go dash in the message box and type in imagine. So for us it's going to be this first prompt here. Okay. So now we can type in what we want Midjourney to create for us. So let's try vibrant dog in a beach or on a beach. And then we hit enter, and now Midjourney will do the work for us. Alright, so we can see that it gave us 4 different options. So now if we want to take one of these options, we go U1 or U whichever. So U4, let's say if we want the 4th picture. And then this will give us the 1 out of the 4. And then from here we can download it, save it, and then we can also upscale, so that adds a little bit more creative artistry to the picture. We can vary subtle or strong, and we can also vary a region. So let's say that we don't like this one eye, we can select that region, hit this arrow, and then it will generate 4 new pictures varying that one region. We can also zoom out. All right, now we have our 4 pictures here with that one eye regenerated. So let's say we like number 2, but we want it a little bit different. We can also go version 2, and then this will generate 4 new pictures based on that one picture. So now we have 4 different versions of that one, and they're all slightly different. And if we push this circle, then it will regenerate the 4 pictures. So if we don't like what we see, we can have it recreate them for us again. And if we scroll all the way back up to our original dog prompt, and if we hit this, then it will generate 4 new pictures entirely. And now we have our 4 new pictures of dogs on the beach. And that is a quick, easy guide to Midjourney. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.